After a moment, Ayaka gasps and comes back to life. He says he thinks Ayaka forcefully broke their contract and to bring her back, he needs to create a new one. He cuts his hand and drops some blood on her chest, then hesitates. Instead of kissing her lips, he kisses her forehead. After a moment, Ayaka gasps and comes back to life. If Hanoka ever died or needed help, Ayaka would give up her contract with Evermillion, allowing him to use his own power instead. So, when Ayaka ended the contract, Hanoka used only his power to restore the city. That meant her deal with Evermillion was cancelled.